In this video, I'll guide you through managing the virtual drive in the BDRSuite backup server. This feature enables instant access to backup data without requiring a full restore every time you need to access backup data during emergencies. BDRSuite Virtual Drive enables instant access to backup data. This feature utilizes the Vembu Hive, a proprietary file system to store data in a neutral format. Additionally, by enabling NFS services, the backup data can be shared across networks for use with ESXi servers or other systems. The setup supports both Linux and Windows servers, ensuring seamless integration and enhanced accessibility of backup data. Log in to the BDRSuite Backup Server console by entering the username and the password and clicking on Sign In. Now you can navigate to the Recovery tab and click on Manage BDRSuite Virtual Drive. This page provides an overview of all disk image-based and VM-based backup jobs. It allows you to manage backup data by mounting it for instant access or unmounting it when no longer needed. Backup jobs are typically mounted when performing restore operations such as Instant Boot VM or Disk Mount. In these cases, the specific backup job will appear in the mounted state and can be unmounted once the restore is complete or for further actions. By default, all disk image and VM-level backup jobs are listed in the unmounted state, enabling you to mount them as needed for quick access. This functionality provides seamless control over backups, ensuring efficient access to the required data whenever necessary. You can also access the mounted virtual disks from a remote ESXi host or a remote Linux machine through NFS Share. For that, you need to first enable this option by toggling the button. As you can see, the respective backup jobs are listed here. You can use the Action button corresponding to the respective backup job to mount or unmount the virtual drive. This backup job is unmounted, so you can click on the Mount button. When mounted, the virtual drive allows instant access to the selected backup job's data. You can see the virtual disk attached to the local system from where you can access the backup data. Now, this backup is already mounted, so you can click on the Unmount button. When unmounted, the virtual disk becomes inaccessible as the virtual disk is effectively removed from the system. Thus, the BDRSuite Virtual Drive provides instant access to backup data without needing a full restore every time you need backup data access. That's it! Now it's your turn to try it out. Visit our website to start your free trial, and if you need any assistance, contact BDR Support. Thanks for watching!